Hello guys, welcome back with the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily change the LED light mode and color in your ASUS ROG Cetra SpeedNova headphones. So actually, at first we need to have our phone unlocked, and now if you have your Amore Create application set up with your device, that's good. Tap lightning right here and now enable lightning switch. Here you can tap the preset to change the mode. For example, let it be set to the color cycle, and now as you can see here they have color cycle. If we tap breathing, we can change the color itself, for example to pink or some custom colors. And apart from breathing, we do have a strobing. Now our headphones will be strobing. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.